What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel Russian Adventure. There and people, so me up on the riverside. Me and Nick and Poppy there saying, yeah man, and Pierre over here, so same. Alright then people, so we are match up some lobster, you know. So I'll go on there. Yeah man, lobster and grata bread on the side, you know people. And one jug on there, so. Somebody have this on my birthday, you know people. So I'm just save it back and say me I bring it today, you know. Yeah man. And I want red stripe beer. There so. Yeah man. And say me I'm seasoning some people. Yeah man. So at this way I match up today, you know people. In idea. Yeah man. At this way I match up in idea people. So nice look. The puppy. I can grill over here saying you know, people. So I match up huh? Jerk chicken. Look well pretty, colorful. So this is a mad idea, you know, people. So I'm just going to stay tuned. So I saw no, the river. Natural spring water. Slide, man. So people, this is straight from out of the hills, you know, man. What's that, man? Yeah, man. No chlorine. Natural spring water. Walk on there. And out of the hills, people. Walk on there. Natural spring water. Cool and refreshing. Yeah man. Walk on there. All in the hills. You can come find them water here, you know, people. Cool and nice. And look on them house here, people. Them house here, you know. Back in my days, them house here, you know, people. Back in the 40s century, yeah, man. In my days, them house had make up in the people. So I go on there. Upstairs board house. Yeah, man. I'll show you that one down there, so. Yeah, man. Place a tourist area, you know, people. So I go on there. So way up in the bush. Way up in the hills. Yeah man. Way up in the mountain over there, you know, people. Yeah man. So go on there. Be a tree. There. Cool and nice, man.
Yes, it broke the pocket.
Yeah man, look here, people. That's one cliff down that side, man. Yeah man. Hold on. That's the people. Alright, there's a kind of bush up right now. That's it. So, oh, yeah, one cliff. Don't I say no, man. Come on. So, I go on there. So, still up on the journey. On the journey, you know, people. I'll go on there. Alright, then, people. They don't know, so the place dirty, you know, so we have to just clean up the place first thing. Yeah, man.
We don't carry no rake, so we have to use what we have.
Yeah, man.
A piece of stick.
I know, so the cooking here, clean, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, have to clean. I gotta do the fire right, that's so. Right in the middle, so I gotta do the fire, people.
Okay, in the
Alright, people, this. I want to post them to the fire side, you know. Come on. So the fire side. Keep them here, me a look. people. I look at stick them right and I want to light up a fire. One nice dry sticker. Oh. The oil is dry. That's the fire. But normal. Although we don't want the fire still cold for them. Come on, people, so I work with them, man. Now, on a whole heap of stick. I really just the coal we need. Come on. Really just the coal we need to burn down in the people. So I'm going to go down to the fire side right now, so I'm just going to stay with you. Alright then people, the fire side, I go right on the bank in right as well, you know.
Fire side.
Yeah man. Fire side I go right on the bank in right as well. So we just clean up the area first, you know. Yeah, man, the fire side I go right that's all.
Yeah man,
So I go on there. The man outside you have Peter there, so. You have Nick. You have a great puppy there, so you know. Yeah man, so I go on there. Half an hour. Alright then people. And this is our grilling idea, you know. See there? So we have 4 sticks. So we're going to put a sideways stick them, you know, the grill it. So them are what are basically it posts them. So, yeah, man. So when we see what are going on people, and just go and stay tuned. Alright then people, so I plant them in the ground, you know. So I'll go on there, so I'll get them in the ground. And I'll go on there. Alright then people, so we're line up grilling up. So I'm gonna, so I put one or so. And then one over here, so you know. And the rest of them cross here. Yeah man, so I put the rest of them cross here, so then we are doing it right now. So I'm gonna. Yeah man. And we are gonna strip them off. So when I have the skin on it, so we are strip off it. So then we are, yeah. Right, we are doing it right now people. Them well neat and nice. Yeah man, we'll just go and stay tuned people. Yeah man, just go and stay tuned. Alright then people, so I'm going to strip off the stick them on them. Yeah man, so I want them clean and nice. So I'm gonna. Yeah man. So we are going to strip off them. Yeah man.
See fire side there.
Well bossy.
Distant. On the river banking. And down there you have the river.
Nice to put you know.
And down there you have the deep part of the river. And Papi over there. And Nick catching the fire. Stop following me talk.
But the town man catch fire.
Yeah. Town man, so they say you can catch fire. How them?
Same for Maxis man.
But you like you catch a fire, they already catch.
Bill, me brought the fire where? The fire out down there.
Papi? They say I go look for some. What kind of chicken you have today?
Brazil jerk chicken.
He not say it. Yeah, one people see it, yeah? Fire side.
Alright people, so get the stick then chop up, you know. So I chop them, send it off, you know, because them stick are big enough, people. See they well dry. You know, so them stick are blaze.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I want to fire up and light up took a long time. I eat lobster.
Tell them, man. I get them.
And Papi have to give me a piece of Jamaican chicken.
Chop up now. Well dry.
A chopper you bad though. It work like a machete.
Tell them, man.
You just mind the break it even chopper. Yeah, man, Nick over there so going easy back. Yeah, man, people, you look like a tourist though. Yeah, man, a tourist in that case. I want to guess this. Yeah, man, I want a subscriber.
So I let him watch the channel before we even started.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I want to then be one subscriber there. How you do that though? When you know say we don't create one channel. Man, subscribe before we even create one channel. People never say that. Aye. God. And people start as soon as Russian done chop up his stick them. And we are catch up the fireside. We check in back.
Alright people, so now just line up the fire in right away, you know. So we're not waste the time.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
That is
fire
it.
line up right now.
Yeah, man.
And start the ball and roll.
Cause my belly a ball.
Alright people, so now just light up the fire, you know. Light up the fire right now. Come on, the breeze are blowing. So. Yeah, man, so I go on there. Light up the fire, you know. Then I go ahead and add on my bram pan, you know. Then catch.
Bram for days.
You know, so anytime a bram then catch, you know. Light up.
Yeah.
Yeah, out again. Just go and watch what I go on, you know, people. Man, so I go on there.
Man. You know, I pop it down there, so I get the chicken clean up. Yeah, man, Papi, I go look for son. How when you say chicken name?
Brazil jerk chicken.
Brazil jerk chicken. Yeah, man.
Papi na golden square, you know, bro.
Yeah, man, so I go on there for the fireside.
Yeah, man, fireside looking lovely.
So,
Like the grill settings, yeah. Yeah, man, and nick up the service, the grill, the grill them, because them here I stand. So, yeah, man, them there grill.
Juggle them.
But I don't really them I want to see still like lobster. I want to stick up on the fire.
So Brazil lobster and Brazil jerk chicken.
Man, people us. Want to stay tuned until we are going to get the lobster them clean up. Yeah, man, we soon check in back.
alright people. And see lobster them, you know, fresh. See you see it? Everything alive same way, you know, man. So I go on, thing alive same way, you know. 4 nice size lobster. So I go on, hold on, them hold them good. Don't bother flicking, you know. So I go on, people. For big lobster this, you know, man. So I go on, so just I get them clean up. Right now, when the people, so I'm just going to watch what I go on. See lobster them, so I put them on the riverside and clean them up right now. I'm just going to stick it. Alright then people, go on there. So must I get them clean up now. So must I go bust the back first, you know, people. So I go on, must I sink tonight. I bust the back first, you know. They are alive same way, you know, people. Knife are small, and some try use a bigger knife too. See that? They are alive same way. So I go on there. Thing alive, fresh. Yeah, man. So I get them cleaned up right away. Pop off the whiskers then, you know. Then we bust it back. Them people, so we go for a bigger knife, because the knife definitely too small, you know, people. Yeah, man. So we go for a bigger knife. So we're going now. Yeah, man. Nice and easy. What going on? So inside I am looking at. Come on. What go on there? Meat, nice and pretty, that's it. White and pretty people. Come on. Getting well clean up right now. The place kinda all get dark, you know. Yeah. See the people? Done. Yeah, man. So there's a one of them I know, you know. So let's deal with the rest of them people. So just go and stay tuned and watch what's going on. Going on, people. Well clean up right and proper, you know. So I go on there. So I start seasoning them up. So I just go and stay tuned and watch what's going on. See the river, your people. Well blue and pretty, you know. Yeah, man. So I'm soon showing a couple shots. Further down in the video, you know, people. I like to Nick, I got jump off and you know. Yeah, man, Nick, I got jump off. And see what I got. Boom! Back flick off your head. Yeah, man. Waterfall, you know, people. So I'm going there.
Outside!
Alright,
Long time no day sitting here though.
Bowling for years. So I'm in the back foot and things, but we still got it. Yeah, man. So I do it in the back.
Go on, Nick! Go on, Nick! Go on, Nick! Go on, Nick! Catch! Alright!
Oh, that's nice!
What a cold! Hey! What a cold like ice!
This, they can get an ice bath in the water. If you the water cold. If you feel a pain and you come to the water, you not feel it again.
Be a cold bomb that
Eh? People, take it up there. God, nice. Where's your cow? You want it? Yo!
I don't want them. I got on the floor. What's your talent? Me?
DJ no papi.
What up? On this.
Yeah, man. People. Water cold and nice. Water nice, man. So we are doing now, papi. You wanna? Back flick. Black. Back splasher. Oh! DJ me game I know, Nick. Go on. Go on. That is serious, man. If I better lie, but because you can't backflip. You can't backflip. Go on, no? So it does never go over. Alright, people, some of us are going to shot. So the falls, you know. You know. See, fall, eh? A bit hard. You want to go on the people? Yeah, man. Eh? Go on the race. Go on. A race, them a race the people, so we are see who can swim the fastest. A race, them a race, you know. Go! Alright. Alright. You like Poppy go win this? Alright, that's all. I'm a son of one.
You could have win me. We're almost time.
Yeah. Yeah, man, people, it's a fine out here, you know. It's a nice. Give them piece of float in there.
Float in a swim park.
Alright then, people. I see fire I go along here, you know. So I don't want it too much fire, you know, because you don't know, so I'm not roasting breadfruit. Yeah, man. So I just want it burn down to coal. Yeah, man. I really the coal I need in the people. See that? Yeah, man. Fire go on with itself. I'll go on the people. Yeah, man. We just go and stay tuned, you know, and watch how I go on. Alright then, people. So I have some mix up season in us, you know. Mix up with whole heap of different season. I start season the lobster, you know. Season the lobster. Alright, from tail to the head. And a whole heap of meat there. We up in the head, you know, chop a whole heap of meat there, them part of same, you know. Them part of a whole heap of meat there, you know. They call them part of, the antenna. Think of something like so, then call them part of antenna. Be meat there, them, so I'm show you. Until them done. Make them well seasoned. Come on. That one, well big. See pretty? Yeah, purple. I tell you, man. And then well seasoned. Whole heap of mix up season. Whole heap of bad seasoning in this. Yeah, man. So I cut up natural seasoning them now, people. Like me. Alright then, people, so we have the natural seasoning, I say, but a whole heap of natural seasoning still in the people. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash them off, but I'm just checking back in the people, so I'm just going to stay tuned. Alright then, people, so we have the scallion, and we have the garlic, and we have one pepper, you know. So I'm just cut them up well fine and put them in there, you know, people. Come on. So I'll go on there. Put them up fine and put them in. Alright then, people, we have a garlic. So I use one 3 peg. I use one 4 peg. Use 4 peg of garlic, you know. One 4 peg of garlic. Don't know, so you have to have garlic, you know. If you don't have nothing else, you have to have garlic. Alright, people, I get the garlic them cut up, you know. We mince them up. So we don't want a big garlic, you know. Then cut fine until I can even see them. cut them as fine as possible, you know, people. You know, cut them fine as possible. Put one per garlic, then I eat one of them. It's a one. Alright people, this is our final thing now. Hot scotch burning pepper. Most I think if you have a flavor, it have full of flavor in the fish. Yeah, put some scotch in it. Hot scotch burning pepper, you know. Alright people, so we put on a grill, you know. The fire hot and ready. Yeah, man. So I put on the grill them and just add on the lobster. Oh, my grill looks so short.
Remember the lobster then tall, you know, man.
I must add on the lobster, you know, people, so I just go and straight now. Alright people, I'm going to add on the lobster them, you know, right away. 4 of them, so you know, so I have to make space to them. So I'll go on now. 4 nice size lobster. I'll go on up on the grill.
Slanting like that. Bend that. You know what the sea
Yeah,
want up under them now.
Yeah man. So this are mats up on the riverside in the people. So I go on there. I have water viewed over there, so view of water. So man, right on the bank inside. Man, that's a cool we need people. We don't need no high fire. Because we don't want to burn up thing. Come on. See what look there. Alright people. So we're going up on Poppy Grill, you know. So I'm going to drink some chicken. Over here, so. Nice and lovely. We can't wait to get in there. I know that one and I go normal. Alright people. So we're going up on the fire, you know. Right man. We're going up on the fire. So you know, so sooner and later, so I'm going to sprinkle them, you know. Sprinkle them, so with some dragon. Yeah man, watch it. Lobster still a move. And so I go on. And then I fully dead, you know. And then clean up early. And still a move. Watch it. Yeah man. Nice people. So I'm soon sprinkle them, you know. So I'm just go and watch how I go on. So I go on people. The rain a fall, but you don't know, say nothing can stop you, you know. I have a storm. So I go on the fire still a blaze. In the rain. Yeah man, so the man out there. So I'm waiting the people. Man.
Outside like
People, a storm outside, you know. Watch it. Be rain. Be rain. Watch it. What's up?
fire blaze.
Fire still a blaze.
Yeah man.
Watch it people.
Wildlife
Be rain. Woo!
wild.
Rain. Look up on the river. Watch it people. Be rain, you know, man. Rain a fall hard. But we still have to complete it the same way, you know. We still have to complete same way. Alright then.
Now have a opener, and so I go open it. Jamaican, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which is right.
Yeah man. Yeah man people. So we're like a sprinkle. The lobster them now, you know. So I go on there. Come on, Pop, hold it.
We'll fly them here.
Watch it, man. Smell well nice, people. So I go on there. Yeah, man. So I'm going to sprinkle them right now. Alright, people. So I go on there, you know. Sprinkle them. So I go on there. Yeah, man. Smell well nice, people.
When the rain fall, we're out here.
Give them a little turn now. Smell well nice.
Oh, look at them still on move, sir. Them still alive? Look at them still on move.
You know, so sometimes I just put them on though. Them are moving.
Eh?
Just go on, them are move same way. Lobster hard to them, man. Now make a little side. This one.
So we are going to bust the magic sparkling blue.
Yeah.
Personally, never tried it before, so let's see how I go. You understand? I'm back up this statement. That's right. Smoke!
Yeah. Come, just throw my little frat in this.
Yeah. A mosquito there right on face, you can see it?
And the
Where?
mosquito.
Where you see mosquito, man?
Ready.
Dogs have seen about me.
Hey. Alright, people. So I go on there.
Yeah. Man, she this, you know.
Yeah, man, so put it on.
Champagne for days. Why this new to my stomach?
Junk already. And alcohol in there.
Junk.
Is there junk?
What's something like that, bro?
The sparkle.
Yeah, man, people, so what go on there? Or you're still active in a man? In the arena? Yeah, man. I don't know, say all night I forward down in the people, but if you don't have to complete same way, yeah, man. Yeah, man, so I go on the people on the grill. This? Oh, nice.
Oh gosh, man.
I want this stick,
I'm taking so much time I eat.
Alright,
catch
people.
him, I'm going to that room, boy.
So I go on there. And pop your chicken and chicken, you know.
You know.
Alright then, people. So lobster then done, you know. So I get them off now. And toast the grata bread, you know. Yeah, man. So I go on there.
Go. Right, buddy.
Well cook. Yeah, man.
Number 2.
So I go on there.
Number twice.
You guess, I take them off, you know. The subscriber.
Show them some have look use. You know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, people. So I take them off. They will toast the bread. And they will just get in it, you know.
That one.
Yeah, man, fire active in the weather, yeah. In the arena. Look at that, people. Yeah, man.
Well, you know.
Look at them, look pretty. Well seasoned. Yeah, man, so I go on there.
Oh, no, just stay tuned and watch our garden people outside.
Alright, people, so let's cut the grata bread in a half, you know. And they would toast it. Yeah, man. So, nick a match up it. Yeah, man, so I go on there. So I drop on it on the grill. I make them go on toast.
Yeah.
Man, people, so I go on there.
Yeah, so. Garlic butter, you know. No.
Eh?
That's some garlic butter. Garlic money. That's not the butter.
I mean, butter, you know?
Yeah, butter?
Yeah, man, people, so. Man, I get the lobster them.
Yeah, man, so I'm getting at them right now. The bread, them toast already, you know, people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that's all my own. I'm going to mash up my lobster, you know, people.
Yeah.
So I'm going to hold a little seed and dig in on my own. Yeah, man.
See it?
So I want the lobster go down in my belly, so I don't want to go down on my foot, you know, because watch it. This is how I stand up and eat, you know, so I go down on my foot. So I want to go down.
Gosh, your lobster broke like an old tree limb. Fleshy days.
Well fleshy. Watch out, people. All night catching. Well spicy and nice.
Yeah, man.
People. It's nice.
Just days.
Pop them man. I didn't have them on.
Out there. It's so normal. We've been waiting for this.
Brother. Yeah, man. Subscriber on this mash up for months same way.
Well spicy and nice.
Boy, people, soon check in back in. Come here, go check in on my one.
Alright people. Here though then. I'm checking out film one.
So you pepper nice one. No, that's how roast up right here. How much pepper you put now?
No sir. I have one pepper though.
Man put on green country pepper brother. So they never cut it up there for Jaja. Help with.
If you buy a lobster tail about 5,000 for this alone, you know.
Make it look easy though, no? That's
Why people have to go flying to somebody, man. It's nice for real. I want to
No.
talk yes. Roast up, sir, yeah? Aye. Is that pepper, yeah? I'm going to put no pepper eyes. No. Nigga can't pick up your laptop.
Alright then people. So I go on there, you know. Night come down, you know. So we are head home now. And so I go on there. We're on the journey, you know. I head home back. And man, so like, comment, share, and subscribe, you know, people. Come on, we're out.
Where I said on
People, place wet. There's some whole heap of rainfall. You can see there, and night catching the hills. So I take a look at time, go home now. Come on.